Everyday heroes rise up tall. In the hearts of Africa they call. With strength and love they stand so strong. For the land they fight for they belong. Through the storms and darkest night they shine, a beacon pure and bright. With courage shown in every way they save and serve, come what may. African valor, strong and true. Every single thing they do, with courage shown in every way, they save and serve, come what may. African valor, strong and true. Every single thing they do, patriotism in every way. In their hearts it's you and me. Children fed and lives restored, hopes and dreams they do accord. With every act of bravery they write a better history. In the eyes of those who see, they become what we could be. Every sacrifice and pain is not in vain. They break the chain. From Savannah to the town, heroes rise, never back down. With every heart, with every soul, they play their vital role. African valor, strong and true.